Hey, do you want to watch Wheel? What do you think? Do you want to watch Wheel? Should we get your chair out? Let's get your chair. Let's get your chair.
Rory, do you want to watch Wheel?
Should we watch Wheel? Let's push play. Look what's on. Look at that! You better get him your chair. It's gonna start pretty soon. Better get him your chair. You're all settled in.
Thanks very much. Welcome aboard.
I just want your pillow here. You can have your pillow. Go sit in your chair. Look it!
Well, don't just stand there and get those things and let's win some money. That's why they're here. First toss-up is a place.
Do you know it?
Nicole.
Crow's Nest.
Yeah, well, I get it.